Hi everybody. Today I want to talk a little bit about clenching and grinding and some exercises that might help reduce this problem that so many people have. First thing first, hold your skull, thumbs under the chin. There will be 3 exercises in this position. First, tip the head forward 15 degrees to 20 degrees. This is not a neck bend. This is a tip and rotate. When you do this, you should feel a little bit of tension in the back of the neck. That's one. Number 2, go left, tiny tilt, 15 degrees, that's it. Hold for 6 seconds, back. Do the other side, 6 seconds, back to center. Do each one of those positions for 6 seconds. This will help pull C1 and C2 apart a little bit, get some synovial fluid working in there like it should. Second exercise, put your tongue to the roof of your mouth, please, like this, and open big. Hey, I know it looks ridiculous, I look like a stupid dork, but hey, it works. Tongue to the roof, open. 10 of these stretches will be very helpful in loosening up the muscles through here. That's the second exercise. Do that 10 reps, 10 times, several times a day. They're great. Third is going to be just slightly different. Now this is a little more difficult. First thing I want you to do, hold your fingers on your jaw bones or condyles and open big. You can literally see the condyle pop out the side. So this again is a rotation exercise. You want to get the jaw to open a tiny bit through rotation, but not the translation, which is the pop out. So now open a tiny bit, that. You can feel no movement here whatsoever. This means the jaw is just rotating a little bit on the center axis like this. So again, do 10 of those. This will help counteract the stronger muscles of grinding, hopefully reduce the need to grind and clench at night. But you must do your exercises, folks. Don't be like me. My PT doctor has given me a list of exercises to do. I do half of them and I'm not very consistent, and I totally admit it. Some days it gets pretty busy here and I just feel like I don't have time or I'm too tired or whatever, but I am working on it, I will admit. We all have to do our exercises. So if you do these exercises, breakfast, lunch, and dinner 3 times a day, you'll be far, far ahead of everybody else. Thanks for listening.